decentralized network. And basically, in your home, when you start off, typically the way services are brought to your home is usually telephone and DSL usually coming in through a pole most of the time, and cable internet comes out through one of these. Well, it comes underground to you typically, and then of course satellite is something that you install on the you install a dish on the outside of your home, and then you have a house ground, which all of these things, if done right, are supposed to connect to in case of lightning strike. And then you have a demarcation box. If it's a business that you have, then it looks a little different than that. Usually it goes into more of a networking closet. And so there's the phone line coming in, and there's the cable internet coming into the demarcation box, and satellite. And so the standard method of bringing these services into your home is usually for cable internet, it's run to a router. And usually the router is located in your maybe home office or someplace that you've kind of designated, maybe close to your TV or something like this. Satellite usually will run to a satellite receiver, probably somewhere near your entertainment center. And telephone, of course, runs usually in series throughout your home to a wall jack. And so what do people do if they want to extend these services elsewhere? You're joking, only 30 seconds? Okay. Well, basically, when they start extending services everywhere, usually they choose to do it through a Wi-Fi router for internet. And satellite or cable TV, you can use something called a long-range Wi-Fi transmitter. And for telephone, a cordless phone base, usually with paired phones connected to it. And how do all of these devices communicate? Well, through Donald's favorite way, Wi-Fi. And it goes over the following spectrums. The radio signals travel omnidirectional, which means that basically they go all over the place. They kind of flood your home. This picture that you see here of the devices, that usually represents only a fraction of what you have in your home. So usually your home is filled with a lot more stuff than this. Add to this smart appliances, security devices and sensors, and controllers for HVAC and irrigation. And home automation and lighting are becoming a lot more popular. Okay, so what is the challenge? Radio signals can completely interfere, or can compete and interfere with each other. They create noise in their respective spectrum, and radio signals cannot traverse electromagnetic radiation or metals like refrigerators, washers, dryers, pipes, and ducts, to name a few. They also have difficulty traversing concrete and masonry. And consumer-level Wi-Fi routers and access points cannot handle large constant load. The bandwidth gets divided amongst simultaneous traffic. So, things slow down. Is that it? That's the end? Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Evidently, 3 minutes is not what it comes out to be.
Speak to Jones.